a beautiful grass-free country up here. The northeastern part of the Daisy Hill Reserve. Near Ford Road, you might know. It's just over on the right. I'm just about to descend and ascend, mostly descend, by a track called Wiry, which is an incredible example of how to cut through Neroli Vernville in the roughest way possible. There's plenty of examples of that ignominious formation as we start our descent. Seems to be a horrendous section just around here, but it's cleaned up a bit now. The great quartzite boulders. Some people ride over them, but no. Should we go round them? Possible. This is what I would call a mountain bikers would call a leisurely descent. For me it's a moderate speed. I think I have gone a bit faster down here, but came close to death a few times, so I decided to avoid that again. There's the rock. The place where you can get bounced off the track here. Free roots and washouts, rocks. Magnificent exposure of mainly Fernvale gravel. A few larger bodies coming up. This is the Death Rock on Wiry here. Down this body. Oh, geez, it's quite a steep drop there. I'm going to sit well back in the seat to make sure I don't go cartwheeling over the bars. Sure, it's well beyond that, but it feels like it. Still dry. Bit of an uphill section now, so should be able to detect very quickly from my breathing. This was burnt, control burnt about, it was last year I think. Maybe this time last year. Or perhaps 2 years ago. Judging by the growth, I'd say 2 years ago. Bit of a blur. Up we go. Seems futile. Down, up, down, up. Still the spectre of Mount Anne drawing me on. Almost there. Another descent. With the rock section. 3 loops. Up again. Down again. Up again. Steep little peaks coming up. Yes. Down again. And that's Wiry Paddock. Yeah, of course. Right. Time for a downhill, travel uphill slog, which I've skillfully erased from the record. So this track we're about to get onto is called Jumping Ant. It's a beauty. Great little downhill run here. So, here we go. Wait. Jumping Ant. Lots of booms. over the top of the berm. It's all okay. And through that rocky section. Materials and pigeons. Jump coming up here. Oh, hold on. Pretty close to trees here. Look at the log. Beautiful little grove, mostly lantana unfortunately. After all the rain we had earlier in the year, the lantana was going across the track and got lashed by it as it came down, or slashed even. It's been cleared that since then. Sharp lefty, sharp right. A wall of death. Jump. This thing. Jump to the yeah. That's it. Jumping out. Nice little adrenaline rush.